Hi folks, David speaking once again. This is the second of what might become a series of videos demonstrating the planning of Honicknowle Gardens project at the Phoenix Centre. Over the last couple of months, we've decided that the original plan unveiled in November 2023 isn't going to work, because much of it depends on land to which we don't have legal access or rights. So it's back to the drawing board regarding footpath layout, raised bed placement and so on. There is currently a narrow concrete footpath leading down from the patio area. We have decided to extend that to the wall which belongs to our neighbour. We don't want to have plants climbing that wall and invading their garden. The wider path also allows space for wheelchairs users to pass one another as they navigate their way to their favourite spot. The raised beds I featured here are very much up for discussion. We want raised beds to be easily accessible from both sides and either end. Exact dimensions and precise placement have yet to be decided. In the last video, I talked about using pallets as bays for the composting process. I've now placed them at the bottom of the garden, but I'm not sure they're going to stay there either. One thing I've discovered about composting is that it takes up quite a lot of space and is difficult to make pretty. Oh, that's two things. Composting and soil management should stand at the heart of what we do to create a sustainable garden that grows wholesome food. I also made reference in the last video to the gradient. I've consulted the Sensory Trust website, who recommend that the slope should not exceed 1 in 20. So for every 20 metres along, the ground rises by 1 metre. The gradient here is 1 in 35, so we're well inside their recommendations. Even so, we'll be paying particular attention to smoothing the site where needed. We do want some gradient to prevent standing water, known as puddles, to form during rain. The paths themselves will be carefully designed to avoid adverse camber. If a path is well designed for wheelchair users, it's good for everyone. Finally, equipment and tool storage has been making us think. The Phoenix Centre has suggested that we put a door just here. The space behind can be a permanent storage space for the gardening project. Part of the other side is open to the elements, so it won't be all that cosy, but it should be safe and secure. That's it for the moment, but watch this space. For example, I'll be talking about the hedge I'm standing next to in the near future. Goodbye for now.